So in this video, I want to talk about my neurodiverse daughter and how her neurodiversity, the severe levels of autism and ADHD has actually instigated me to do my inner work. I truly believe this, that my daughter is my guiding angel. And if you like the content I'm sharing, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so what I wanted to talk is that all those issues with autism and ADHD, and parents who are supporting neurodiverse kids definitely know that how big it feels like. It is a big challenge to take care of a neurodiverse child. And that's where even I was also caught up with that feeling of that constant anxiety and overwhelm on what exactly is going to happen with my child and how she's going to survive in this world and what's going to happen next, how she's going to learn, and the meltdowns and all those tantrums and those the thing which autistic kids they do, especially to the parent who is subconsciously very overgiving to others. They instigate that parent. So that's what she used to do. She used to always instigate me and always used to test my patience to my limit, and that used to make me even more anxious. Then now I realize why all that was happening with me, because I was holding on to these inner child wounds, these limiting beliefs that I'm not good enough. And that's what my daughter was triggering again and again, that you need to do this inner work first. And when I started, processing all those inner child wounds which are coming to me from generations, and when I started releasing those limiting beliefs one by one, I started regulating my nervous system. I see that the space that now I'm able to offer to my neurodiverse child is different. So I'm now able to see what she's seeing, which I wasn't able to do this earlier at all. And that's where I realized that our neurodiverse kids are actually redirecting us towards our higher purpose, towards our divine purpose. And I was not someone who would believe this, 5 years ago. If you would have said me that we have a divine purpose and we are here to create heaven on the earth, and all these things would used to make me feel woo-woo. But now I completely believe, when I did my own inner child healing work and I started regulating my nervous system, I started releasing all that stored trauma from my nervous system. And I see that this is now, also it has started mellowing down my daughter's meltdown also. And we have started sharing a beautiful bond. I still don't know what the future is going to be there for her, but I now know that it has to be like she will build her life around creativity. So neurodiverse kids, they are born to tell us that what we are missing is our authentic life, the life which is filled with joy, which means we cannot keep any suppressed or repressed emotions within ourselves. All those, those wishes and desires that we think that, something that I wasn't able to do it for myself, now I'm like doing it for myself first. I've realized that I have to first take care of myself, then only I will be able to support my neurodiverse kid. And I'm also a neurodiverse person. So it's like if you will trace, you will see that there is a reason for the way your child is right now. And once you start processing that, you will see tremendous changes, and you will start seeing and perceiving the world with a different inner lens. And yeah, you will start seeing the possibility into everything that is happening to you, and you won't feel this limited, you won't feel the shallowness within you. You will see that the entire creation, the entire show is set up for you and set up for all of us. And our neurodiverse kids are just, they are those guiding angels who are redirecting us towards our inner self, towards our authentic self. They are that reflection that what when the generations do not live the life which is true and authentic to their own self, this is what starts coming into. Now my daughter is she is level 2 autistic, but her autism is still severe. But the more the way I'm able to provide her this healing and nurturing space where I'm able to, slow down my life, that's what is helping her, where the expectations are not those traditional ones that she has to go to school and study and get those good grades. Now that's not going to be the path for her. So she has started now learning bass, and she's enjoying it. And with neurodiverse kids, we cannot push them. So they will find their own way, and they will find their own rhythm. We just have to create that space for them. And me being a single parent, I never believed that I'll be able to do this. The way I was spiraling down, it's only this inner child work which has, started strengthening me from inside. And when I started regulating my nervous system, I am able to see this profound change. So yeah, if you also believe in this, then do reach out to me, and we can start your inner child work. So if you are a parent supporting a neurodiverse kid, inner child healing work and regulating your nervous system is the key to create that safe space for your child, and that is ultimately going to start healing your neurodiverse kid in the long run. Yeah, so thank you so much for listening, and see you.